Geno Perez Adventures. I'm still Geno. And I hit a major goal today, boys and girls. After 4 months and 10 days, I finished my remodel. Well, I finished. I didn't finish. Don Nestor and myself finished my 2 bedroom, 2 bath. No, 2 bedroom, 1 bath. Well, we upgraded the second bath. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, upgrade with porches and pergolas after 4 months and 10 days. And believe me, it has been a hike. And this is going to be, well, it's not going to be the last video you see, but the next video you see about, that I talk about my house, you're actually going to get to see the entire construction process from dirt, foundation, to the final glorious, beautiful addition to this house. It's taken over almost 9 months. I started 9 months ago looking for maestros or contractors or whatever it took to put my vision and to turn it into reality. And it took me almost 4 months to find somebody that I thought could do that. And after 4 months of hunting, I found one. Don Nestor turned out to be an exemplar. Not only a contractor, maestro, but an artist. And in the next video that I put up about the actual construction from dirt to where we are today, you'll see what I mean. You will. It's just an amazing puzzle that goes together. I've been on work crews. I've watched crews build houses. I've built houses in the United States. But let me guarantee you, there is no, well, there's a similar facsimile, but it is a whole different ball game here in Colombia. And just the little things that would make you crazy. I cut a deal with the guy to make the windows, just like the one you see here in the back. These are metal windows. And he had a price, and it seemed like a fair price. And so he built them. And after the walls started going up, we put the windows in. And I would go, well, where's the glass? He goes, oh, no, you got to get somebody else to do that. I just build the frames. And I said, are you kidding? So we've got all the windows and the doors with windows in them here. And I got to go find another bunch of people to put glass in. It's crazy. And I mean, that's the way it is. You can go find a bed for furniture that'll cost you $1 gazillion in Colombia, or you can go find a carpenter and he'll show you a picture and make you one. And so that's what I've had to put up with for 4 months. And the key was, I kept telling them, it has to fit. It has to go with the flow with the old house. And they would just look at me and shake their head until they finally got it. And we used the same bricks. We used the same window style. We used roof tiles as close as we could get. And the list goes on and on and on. And I would have to go pick the tile. And then you've got to get it here. And it's 15 kilometers from town to here to bring the tile. So you've got to negotiate a truck that doesn't cost you too much. And it would cost you from $12 to $30 to $40. And so you had to negotiate. I mean, it was a daily negotiation and fight over prices for something. For a dump truck load of stone, for a dump truck load of sand, for an electrician. And so the electrician was, well, it's so much per outlet. Okay, well, that sounds good. Well, I thought that was all included. No, that's just the labor. You got to buy the materials, and then that's how much it is for the outlets. You want to talk about something to make you crazy? I heard one time that the worst thing that can happen to you is when you have a death in your family. The second thing is a divorce. And the third thing is a remodel job. And I'm here to vote that one in. Uh, it has been nuts. It has been constant. I don't know if you guys know this. I was a rancher for 48 years, and I got up at 4 o'clock every morning and went to work every day. And when I came to Colombia, I said, I am not getting up anymore, ever. And I sleep into about 8 o'clock, 8:30, just chill, get up, have some coffee. So I've had contracting workers here every day at 6 o'clock for the last 4 months. And that in and of itself was enough to make me crazy. But it's done, it's over. We put the final towel rack in about 11:30 today, and it was done. Of course, now we have the cleanup, and that's going to be a whole nother thing. The cleanup, God, I don't even want to think about it. But anyway, just wanted to go hoo-yah. The chapter's over. We got her done. And the next time you hear anything about this remodel job will be a wonderful video showing you the entire process. And I will try to get that together for you for tomorrow. So anyway, have a good evening. Remember, it is the first day of the rest of your life. And never too late to learn stuff. God bless. We'll see you on the flip side.